Alicia and welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you are new. And today's video is full of cleaning motivation. It's jam-packed with hours of cleaning, and of course I've added in some clips that are super satisfying from some deep cleaning from this fall season. I'm sharing my speed cleaning motivation to hopefully help motivate you this weekend. So if you are new, I'd love for you to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you stay until the end because I'm doing a little bit of decorating in my master bedroom and I'd love for you guys to see it.
I just wanna get out of here. I find it so.
So I'm starting in my kitchen with the kitchen table. So first things first, I'm clearing this table off so I can wipe it down. My youngest son, Chase, is doing distance learning, and throughout the day, he starts off in the office, but eventually he migrates to this kitchen table. And of course, all these papers and things are left behind. So on this particular day, we had Chick-fil-A for lunch. So as you can see, the cup is still sitting on the table. And also the weather here was really nice. So I shut the AC off and I opened all the windows, which was so nice, you guys. It was absolutely awesome. But Chase was cold, so he grabbed my throw from the living room, and that's why all that stuff is in here too.
Crazy when I be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, well we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here.
Okay, so now I'm moving on to wiping the doors down, but just in the kitchen area and some of the baseboards, but again, only in the kitchen. You know, one of my projects this fall is to get all the doors and all the baseboards in the entire house wiped down. But I have to do it in pieces because that is a big project in itself. You know, how often do you wipe your doors down? Is it when you see something on them, or do you have it as part of your routine? For me, I think when I see something on them, that triggers me to wipe the doors off. But I think I'm going to try and change wiping the doors down into my daily cleaning routine. I'm thinking right now, maybe like when I clean a room, then attach the door to that room, if that makes sense. Like if it's the entry door, then attach that to the office, the kitchen, you know, the doors to the kitchen. And so
his name, my body's giving up on me. 'Cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. Move a little closer without letting him see. My hands are shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself.
okay, so now I'm moving on to the dishes and the countertops and wiping off the backsplash. So first, I'm just going to clean these counters off and then start loading the dishwasher with what I can. And I'll probably have to hand wash the remaining dishes because the dishwasher will be full. And then I'm just going to wipe off all of the countertops and wipe down the appliances as well.
My body's giving up on me. 'Cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know
notice and wondering why I'm wearing a glove on my left hand, it's because I had a biopsy done a couple days ago on my thumb, and it's because I have some type of eczema on one of my feet and on my hand, and my dermatologist did a biopsy to see exactly what type of eczema it is, so that way she can treat it properly. So I have to wear a glove because I have 2 stitches in that left thumb. So tell me what you're doing while watching this. Are you cleaning along with me, or are you making a list of things to tackle when you get ready to start cleaning? Comment below and let me know what you're up to today.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie.
Okay, you guys, so moving on to my microwave. What I do with this is I use half part vinegar, half part water, and I just put it in a microwave safe dish. I put it in there for 5 minutes and let that go. And while that's in the microwave, I'm gonna finish wiping my counters off and my backsplash. And then once that's done in the microwave, you guys, I'm telling you, it's the best trick ever. Anything that is stuck in your microwave, it just wipes right out. I highly recommend that you try that, and it's also a natural product that you're using to clean your microwave. And when you're done with it, with the vinegar and water in the microwave, do not throw it out, because I'm going to share with you a second use that you can use with that as well.
I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. 2 heavy hearts is not a lie.
Okay, so now to clean your glass stovetop, I use baking soda and your half part vinegar and water that you use to clean your microwave out. So now you can use that same product that you mixed as like a multi-purpose use, and that way you're getting its full use out of it, and you're cleaning your glass top as well. Again, another natural product that you're using to clean your glass stove.
Yeah, keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark.
Okay, you guys, you know my kitchen is never completely clean until I clean my sink out. So that is what I'm doing now, which is so satisfying with my Barkeeper's Friend. And you guys, I'm always talking about Barkeeper's Friend. Once I was put onto it by other YouTube mamas on here, I have put a link below to the Barkeeper's Friend, and that way it's easier for you to find it in my description box, and that way you can go right to it, you guys. It is the best product that I use for cleaning my sink out.
I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
Okay, you guys, so this is it. My kitchen table and my kitchen is done. I know this was a mess when I first started. I'm going to put in a before shot of what my kitchen looked like, and this is what it looks like after. So it's super satisfying to know that this is done. So now I'm going to move on to my master bedroom, and as I told you guys in the beginning, I am going to tidy up in here very quickly. It looks really messy, but it's actually really quick to clean this up. And I'm also going to be doing a little bit of decorating in here as well.
Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be
so this is what I'm doing to my master bedroom. This is the rug that came out of my living room. If you have not already seen, I did a massive clean with me about 2 weeks ago of my entire house, but I changed out the area rug. I bought a new area rug, and this blue one here came out of my living room. So I figured I would try it out in my master bedroom to see how it looks because we did not have a rug in here yet. So comment below, tell me what you guys think about it. Do you like it or not? Just comment below, let me know. And so this is what I am doing to it. So once I get everything together, and I'll pull the camera back so you can see how the whole room looks with the rug in here. And I'll leave in my description box the massive clean with me that I'm talking about, where I took this rug out of my living room. I'll put that video link below in my description box for you.
What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation.
Okay guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and you got a ton of cleaning motivation. If you did, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you to be a part of the family, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next few days.
I just wanna lay here inside of your arms. Maybe we could jump back.